What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk all about book descriptions and whether or not they actually help you get sales over on Amazon. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I got my results with my low content book publishing business, then I lay out everything step by step within the Printing Profits course. If you want to check it out, you can hit the link in the description down below, or you can go to printingprofits.com. Now, let's head on over to Amazon because I want to talk all about descriptions and whether or not they actually help you get sales over on Amazon. Now, this is just my beliefs and what I believe. Some people might agree with me, some people might not agree with me. Again, this is just what I believe. Now, descriptions. I believe descriptions on Amazon make no difference to your sales whatsoever. And I'm going to explain why that is in a second. Now, one of the reasons why it doesn't make any difference is because Amazon doesn't actually index any of your descriptions. They only index your keywords and your titles and your subtitles, not your descriptions. Now, another reason, I've just pulled up this one as an example. If someone was to purchase this notebook, they're not going to read the description. So no matter how nice you make it or how compelling your words are to purchase the product, 99% of people are not even going to bother reading it. They're going to buy your book on what it actually looks like. Now, believe it or not, this actually makes sales and is ranked around 100,000th place within the bookstore. See, just here, which is absolutely shocking. But descriptions, like I said, no one's going to read the descriptions, or just a small percentage of people will actually read them, because I even had someone buy a fishing notebook, and in the description I specifically said that this is a paperback book. It was right there in the descriptions, and then someone left me a 3-star review because it was a paperback, even though I stated in the description that it was a paperback. So not many people are going to read the descriptions, and they're not getting indexed by Amazon. Now, the only reason you would want to do a nice description, now don't get me wrong, I have descriptions on all of my books, but they're pretty much the same on every single book, just with a few different modifications tailoring to each book or each niche. But the only reason to do keywords within your description is to get indexed by search engines, specifically like Google. So if you have no keywords within your description, then it's not really going to get indexed by Google. Now with this one, they've got people I want to punch in the face. Now this is their title, this is on their cover, and they've got it on the first line within their description. Now the keywords you want to get ranked for in Google, you want them in the first line, okay? Because I'm going to show you why that is in a minute. Now if we go over to Google, I put in people I want to punch in the face notebook. Now obviously it's pulled up some here from Google Shopping, but if we go past the ad as well, just here, we can see people I want to punch in the face. Now let me just pull up this for a minute. People I want to punch in the face. Now if we go here, we can see all the books that are ranked in Google for that search term, and they all have it within the first line. It's the way that the algorithm works. So they've got it in the title, just here, first line, the bots, the Google bots or algorithm, whatever you want to call it, will read your description, match that with your title, and now they know that that's what this is about, and they're more than likely going to rank you. And as we can see, it's just here as well. It's actually just here as well, first line. So if you want to get organic sales from Google and other search engines, then that's how you want to do your descriptions. Always make sure you have your key search term as that first line within your description. Now remember, this is only for search engines, so all this description makes no difference to Amazon, because they're not going to index you on the platform. They're only going to index you on Amazon for your title and your key words. So the description does not matter at all. I've even come across quite a few books now after doing research that has no description whatsoever, yet they still sell books. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.